upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig related content here, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thanks so much. Today I have another Tia wig, so it's my birthday month, so I'm reviewing Tia wigs because my name's Tia. And I actually have a newer one from Vella Vella, and her name's Tia, spelled just like mine, T-I-A. And this is their shift wig multi-part option, so it's just like that shiftable cap, so it doesn't have ear tabs, so you can just move it any way you want. I have her in the color 4. It says that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes in just a few colors, not a ton. And this is a lace parting wig. It is not a lace front, so there's no lace to cut. And I scooped her up from Hair Sisters for $34.99. Let's talk about Tia. First of all, I absolutely love this wig. I'm in love with this wig. This is a straight synthetic wig. I am getting a little bit of tangling just towards the bottom, which is not unusual. I wouldn't say this is a yucky texture, but it is a very soft textured hair. A nice multicultural option for sure. Wig cap is very, very comfortable. I wouldn't say it's a larger wig cap, but it's a very comfortable wig cap. She had some stupid baby hairs that you'll see in the footage of me getting her together. Like stupid meaning like they didn't even make any sense. So I actually cut those off. So that's all I really did to as far as like customization. This is all the hair to the front, so it's a really nice density. It's going to be in that 26-ish, 24-inch length. I'm 5'6.5", and it's going below my chest. Yeah, let's look at her from the back. Yeah, so she's pretty long, really beautiful, nice movement. Yeah, I'm really enjoying. So there was another Tia that I reviewed from Janet Collection. I didn't enjoy that wig as much, just mostly because it's like a short bob, like a short straight angled bob, and I don't like those, so I wouldn't enjoy that. And I've been really getting into the number 4 colors. I would say this is more of a dark brown number 4. Some of them can lean a little bit darker and some of them can lean a little bit warmer, but I would say this is a pretty true dark brown number 4. I'm really enjoying this wig and I'm excited to see how she holds up. All right, I do have a few other Vella Vella wigs that I have reviewed, and you can check out the playlist, which I'll have down below. So if you have this wig or if you tried her, please let me know. What color did you have? If there's another Vella Vella wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video.